In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Snapchat account after being banned. So creating a new account after being banned may be a little bit challenging due to Snapchat's strict detection mechanisms. However, there are a few things that you guys can go ahead and try. And the first thing that I recommend that you guys do is try to create a new Snapchat account on a new device. So Snapchat often bans accounts based on what device was used. So using a different phone or tablet or even a PC or laptop that hasn't been associated with your banned account is the most effective way to avoid immediate detection. And obviously, another thing that you guys could do is you could use a new email and a phone number. So create a new email address and if possible, use a different phone number not linked to your banned account. So you want to avoid reusing credentials associated with the previous account. And lastly, another really effective thing that you guys could do is to get a virtual private network or a VPN in order to mask your IP address. You could use many other VPN services out there. Popular options include NordVPN, Surfshark, or ExpressVPN, and you could basically use these tools in order to go ahead and change your IP and make it so that you're in the different location. And then afterwards, you can go ahead and try to make a Snapchat account, but you will need to be very careful. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.